Which of the following is the capital city of Vietnam? Harare, Bangkok, Jakarta, Hanoi. The correct answer is Hanoi. Which U.S. state has the nickname Peace Garden State? North Dakota, Tennessee, Delaware, Connecticut. The correct answer is North Dakota. In which Mission Impossible movie does Ethan Hunt take action to a whole new altitude with the iconic helicopter chase sequence through the mountains? Mission Impossible, Rogue Nation. Mission Impossible 2. Mission Impossible, Fallout. Mission Impossible 3. The correct answer is Mission Impossible, Fallout. Which country experiences the most tsunamis? Japan, Indonesia, Chile, Philippines. The correct answer is Japan. Which sea is secretly not a sea at all, but is actually the world's largest lake in disguise? Red Sea, Dead Sea, Caspian Sea, Aral Sea. The correct answer is Caspian Sea. When the sky decides to sprinkle water that's more sour than your morning lemon, rain with a pH of 5 or lower is officially called what? Acid rain, heavy rain, fog rain, toxic drizzle. The correct answer is acid rain. What is the name of the colored section of the human eye? Retina, iris, cornea, lens. The correct answer is iris. Which planet rotates on its side? Venus, Uranus, Neptune, Saturn. The correct answer is Uranus. What is the smallest prime number? 0, 1, 2, 3. The correct answer is 2. What is considered the rarest blood type in the world? AB negative, O negative, B negative, Rh null. The correct answer is Rh null. Which part of the human body cannot repair itself? Skin, teeth, brain, heart. The correct answer is teeth. Which of the 5 senses is most closely linked to memory? Sight, touch, smell, taste. The correct answer is smell. On which continent are llamas originally found? Asia, Africa, South America, North America. The correct answer is South America. Which legendary athlete has shown up on the cover of Sports Illustrated so many times that the magazine might as well have been renamed after them? Tiger Woods, Serena Williams, Michael Jordan, Tom Brady. The correct answer is Michael Jordan. Tofu is made from which ingredient? Soybeans, rice, wheat, corn. The correct answer is soybeans.